The Alliance's recent victory over the Syndicate's financial attacks was a testament to their resilience, but the battle was far from over. The success of their containment measures was overshadowed by a creeping suspicion that the Syndicate had an insider within their ranks. The notion of betrayal gnawed at Elara as she reviewed the data and strategized for the next phase of their campaign. The Alliance's internal security was under scrutiny. Every team member was evaluated, every communication monitored, and every protocol revised. The objective was to identify any potential leaks or compromised individuals who might have facilitated the Syndicate's attacks. This internal investigation was as critical as the external battle against the Syndicate. Elara's leadership was more crucial than ever. She had to navigate the delicate balance between maintaining team morale and addressing the potential threat of betrayal. She convened a high-level meeting with her most trusted advisors to discuss their approach to the situation. "Trust is our most valuable asset," Elara began, her voice steady. "We need to ensure that our team is united and that our operations are secure. We cannot afford to have any cracks in our foundation." The meeting was a somber affair. The team reviewed the security protocols, analyzed recent communications, and discussed potential vulnerabilities. It was clear that the Syndicate's ability to infiltrate their systems was a result of sophisticated tactics and deep knowledge of their operations. To address the issue, the Alliance implemented several measures. Enhanced security protocols. They updated and enforced stricter security measures, including multi-factor authentication, encrypted communications, and secure access controls. Every member's access to sensitive information was reviewed and adjusted based on their current role and necessity. Internal investigations. An internal audit was conducted to scrutinize recent activities and communications. Every team member was interviewed, and background checks were re-evaluated to identify any anomalies. External support. The Alliance enlisted the help of external cybersecurity experts to conduct an independent review of their systems. These experts provided an unbiased assessment and identified potential areas of weakness. Counterintelligence operations. The team launched counterintelligence operations to identify and neutralize any Syndicate informants or spies. This involved covert surveillance and monitoring of key individuals and activities. Amidst these efforts, Elara had to address the emotional toll on her team. The suspicion of betrayal had created an atmosphere of distrust and unease. She worked to maintain open lines of communication, provide support, and reassure her team of their collective mission. As the internal investigation progressed, Elara and her team discovered several unsettling patterns. Some employees had accessed sensitive information without proper authorization, and there were signs of irregular communication with external entities. These discoveries heightened the urgency of their investigation. The breakthrough came when the internal audit revealed a previously unnoticed connection between an employee's activities and a Syndicate-affiliated individual. The employee, who had been with the Alliance for years, was implicated in providing confidential information to the Syndicate. The revelation was shocking and deeply unsettling for the team. Elara faced the difficult task of handling the situation. She had to ensure that the implicated employee was dealt with according to the Alliance's protocols while maintaining the integrity of the investigation. The process involved legal action, a thorough review of the employee's actions, and measures to prevent any further compromise. The betrayal shook the team, but it also reinforced their determination to combat the Syndicate. The Alliance's response was swift and decisive. They took immediate steps to reinforce their security measures, implement new protocols, and address any remaining vulnerabilities. Despite the setback, Elara remained focused on their primary objective. The internal investigation provided valuable insights into the Syndicate's tactics and strategies. The knowledge gained from the investigation was used to refine their approach and strengthen their defenses. The chapter ended with the Alliance emerging from the crisis with renewed resolve. The betrayal had tested their unity and resilience, but it also reinforced their commitment to their mission. Elara and her team prepared for the next phase of their campaign, armed with the lessons learned and determined to continue their fight against the Syndicate's pervasive threat.